This is our lesson number 17. Okay, our next month will complete at 32 lesson. Okay, clear? Lesson number, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Lesson number 17. This is our lesson number 17 and first lesson of the second month. Okay, and in this lesson we will do the practice. If x raised power x raised power a plus 1 a into x raised power a into 1 minus a is equal to x raised power k. Okay, then k is equal to a is equal to 2a plus 1. Okay, and b is equal to a plus a square, c is equal to 3a plus 1, d is equal to 3a plus 1, e is equal to a cube plus 1. Okay, a cube plus a. Now you should solve it, okay, and find the answer. It is very easy.
Okay.
Okay, there is no need of bracket. Okay, there is no need of bracket. You should write without bracket. Okay, you are multiplying. Remove this bracket. Not write this bracket. We write this bracket due to power over the power. Okay, this and this. Okay, you cannot. Okay, x. This is 1 minus a. Uh, 1 minus a x raised power. Okay. Wait. X raised power a plus 1 a into minus a square 3a. Wait, I have written the one option wrong. Okay, this is 3a. Clear? Which option is correct? Find the x value. What is x? When bases are same and powers are equal, k is equal to 3a. It's clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now we do the next question. If log log 3 to base 8 is equal to x log 2 to base 3, then x is equal to, I'm writing a is equal to 1 by 3, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4, d is equal to log 3 to base 4, e is equal to log 9 to base 8. Okay, there is base is 2 here. First you should write this is x divide log 3 to base 2 on both sides. Okay, it is not good. It is also good. Okay, good. You should write it as you want to expand it. Okay, good. And okay, good.
Why is it 33?
This can be written as, okay, this can be written as, it is
Yeah,
good.
but I'm solving.
Okay, okay, solve it, solve it.
So now,
No, you cannot write the power, you cannot write it as a you are doing
why you can
3 raised power x.
bring it here, you
Okay,
can
we
write
can
it on
make
the
the
top.
power, okay, but we can make the power. Okay, do it, do it.
It, so this one will be 2, so you can show let's do 3. Oh, look, 2 of 8 is 3 equals to 2, 3, or 1.
This is also x, okay,
Yeah, yeah,
and log
log
2
just
raised power
cross
3. Okay,
multiply.
good, good. There is x, there is 3 is here. Okay, good.
Since they have the same base. And also bring
Make this as a
3x,
power, okay? Make this as a power, make this as a power, okay?
3x equals to 1.
X is equal to.
Huh?
Yes, this is also correct, okay? Which option is correct?
There's no correct option.
There is option x is equal to. mm, this will become 3x, okay? 3x is equal to 3. No, no, you are doing wrong. Okay, see here. We will take the make the power. First, you should do it as log 2 to 3, okay? And then you make this power as log 2 3 raised power 3x, okay? And both sides you should do, both sides you are doing the power. This is in the power of 3, okay? What is the power of 3 here?
1.
1. You should equal to 1, okay? Clear or not clear?
Yeah, yeah.
Then correct it, correct it. 3x is equal to 1 and x is equal to okay, you should not make the mistake. We are doing the powers equal. Log 1 by 2, then log square is equal to. Can you find its value? Can you find it? Wait, I give you the option. Wait, I give you option. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 2.5, and C is equal to 3, and D is equal to 10.25, and E is equal to 100. Okay? Find the answer.
Okay.
We need the value of this, okay? See, only value of this.
So it will be equals 1/2.
But we don't need the m value. We need the value of this complete, okay?
Why? Then I can replace the m.
Okay, find the, you are finding the value of m. Okay, find the value of m. What is the value of m? After finding the value of m, you need to put here 10.
So log now 10 3.16 squared equals I got 1.999. So it's approximately 2.
It is approximately 2. Yes. You can do this by using this method. Okay, it is also good. These are multiplying. Okay, these are multiplying. Okay, we can write it as 10 plus log. Okay, 10 m square, clear? And then log 10 is equal to 1 plus log, this is log m10. Okay, you can put this value here.
Yeah.
1 plus 2 into 1 by 2, then you can get the exact answer, 1 plus 1. Okay, it is also correct. When value is given, then you should try to use this value. Okay, this is also good. And now for if log 5 to base b is equal to a, log 2.5 is equal to c, and 5 raised power x is equal to 2.5, then x is equal to, find the value of x. Okay, I give you option. Okay,
Yeah.
2 b is equal to 2.5 and c is equal to 3, d is equal to 10.25 and e is equal to 100. Okay, log 5 to, we cannot write this log. Okay, you can write this in calculator or not?
Yeah. But I get 0.56.
You are writing this as log 2.5 upon log 5. In calculator there is, in your calculator there is the option to write the base.
Yeah.
Okay, What is answer?
I get the decimal 0.5693.
Mm, wait. This I have written the wrong. We need the answer in A and C tar form. Okay, you should not write the answer as. Our answer is as is AC, C upon A, and A plus C, and C minus A. Okay, the value cannot be determined. Value cannot be determined from the information. How can you write C upon A?
Here, log. It's the same as log 2.5 they gave you, which is C. Is going to be C over A. And log 5 is A. So C over A.
You have find it the using this. You can find it as, okay, this is the option B upon C upon A. You can find it as B upon A is equal to 5 and B upon C is equal to 2.5. Okay, and BC is equal to 5 upon X. Okay, and this is 5 BA, uh, and BA is equal to 5 and BC is equal to 2.5 and 2.5 is equal to BX. Okay, so BC is equal to 5x, and by solving this we can find the answer. Okay,
Why is it equal to 5x?
so BC is equal to 2.5. Okay, by exponential form,
Okay.
and our 2.5 is equal to B raised power x. Okay, clear? B, our 2.5 is equal to B raised 5 raised power x. Clear or not clear?
Okay.
5 raised power x, and our BC is equal to 5 raised power x. Okay, and we want to make this BA is equal to, we want to make this BA equal to 5x. Okay, then we will make equivalence of this. Okay, clear? This is BA is equal to 5, then we take the power whole power x. We need the power of 5 as x. Okay, and this will become BAX is equal to 5x. Clear? Then both BAX is equal to 5 raised power x, BC is equal to 5 raised power x. Then we can write BAX is equal to BC. Clear?
Yeah.
Then we can write AX is equal to C and X is equal to C upon A. Okay? This is also method.
Wait, can you repeat this part?
This point, okay. See here, we first of all we take the exponential. First of all, we take the exponential of this. This is B raised power A
Yeah,
is
yeah.
equal to 5. We take the exponential BC is equal to 2.5. But 2.5 is also 5 raised power x. So we can
Yeah,
write
yeah.
BC. Okay. We need, it is 5, it here is x. We want to take this and this equal. We want to take this and this equal. Okay. So for this purpose, we need the, for this purpose, we need here x. Okay. So we take power x on both sides. We take power x on both sides. Okay. So when we take the power x, then we get 5 raised power x. Okay. So B raised power AX is equal to 5x, 5 raised power x. So B raised power AX and B raised power C will become equal because both are equal to 5 raised power x. Okay.
Okay.
It is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. We can also find this. Okay. You should try this method also. 4 after 4, right? I'm writing the 5. 5 raised power x is equal to log x to base 2, then f of 2 raised power 2 upon x plus f of x. F of x value is given, but find the value of this. Can you find it? I'm giving you
Yeah.
option. It is very easy. Log 2 x upon 2 upon x. Okay. Log and b is equal to 1. You start writing. Okay. Start find this. I am writing the option, but you should write. 2 upon x is equal to 0. Okay. Can you solve it? Hello?
Yeah, 1 second. I think this is the answer.
Which answer?
So this is D.
B is option. Then okay, good. We will cut it, and when bases and are equal, then we can
Yeah.
write it equal to 1. Okay, because log 2. Okay, no, you are on wrong option. Okay, see
Yeah,
it.
yeah, I didn't simplify
Yes,
further.
yes, we can write it as log 2 upon log 2. That's why we are writing. We are using the third law of logarithm. This is cancel, and we get answer 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Answer is 1. Okay, completely solve it. You should try to completely solve it. 6 log natural xy less than 0, which must be, which of the following must be true? Must be true is equal to, you can take any negative number. Okay, for checking this, use the checking method. Okay, use the
Okay,
cracking skills. Means you put some value less than 1, some value less than 0. Okay, and check which option may be correct. Okay, xy greater than means xy greater than 1 means you put any value greater than 1. Okay, and check on which it gives which will be true. Okay, on which you get this negative z, negative or log natural. Okay, none of the above.
but I think without even solving it will be D
Which is
because log functions they're always positive. They cannot be equal to negative or 0
mm, this is the log
because the
function
log of a
always
negative number does not exist, so it cannot be less than 0.
No, you are wrong. You are wrong. You say log and this function is always positive. It is wrong. Its value log natural xy. This means y value. This means only y means function value. Function value is on x-axis. You see the graph. You know the graph of logarithm function. Logarithm
Yeah.
function. Graph of logarithm function is as. Okay, remember it. This is the fixed our x-intercept. Okay. See, these y values are called the this value, log value. Okay, y values are called the log values. Okay, function values. See here, our function is also on negative side. Clear? Not clear?
Yeah.
Our our y values are also negative, and this is the case for 0 less than b less than 1. Then other case was that in this way. Okay, clear or not clear? Same point.
Yeah.
So it may be negative. A good method is to check the values, which values gives the negative values. Our values are also positive and negative. See here values are positive. Here values are negative. Clear?
Yeah.
It is not restriction, but our x cannot be negative. This cannot be negative. Okay.
How do I check? I
Tell
put
me,
any
tell me,
values?
tell me. You say D is true. On D, this is the general rule is that we get this domain. This will be, but here there are x and y both. Okay, this is not one. There is x and y. Clear? So,
Yeah.
uh, we need the values for negative. We need the values for negative. Okay, values for negative. Can you tell me the values for negative? Log natural, it is simple. Log natural is this log e xy. Okay, this domain for domain this will be greater than 0. For domain this will be greater than 0. Clear? This is two
Yeah.
variable. This is two variable function. So we need to find those values which gives the negative value, negative of this. Okay. And if we say xy greater than 0, this will be according to domain. This will be according to domain. Xy greater than 0. But by putting the values which gives us greater than 0 also gives negative and positive both values. Okay, negative and positive both values. Tell me the value on which our this is negative. You should put any value less than 0 means put minus 0.1. Okay, in this see what is our answer. What is answer of this? See it, defined, undefined, or which? Use log natural.
It will be undefined because
Yes,
you'll have
it will be
negative
undefined.
inside the
This is
brackets.
undefined. We cannot put it. Okay, you remember this is against the domain. Okay, and can we this is the domain, but we don't need the domain. Okay, D is not needed. In for domain we get the values. You see the graph. You see the graph. Which case is for this graph? E. Which graph will be the graph of this is the graph C. You remember the graph. If you remember the graph, then you can find. Okay. 0 less than b less than. This is graph for b greater than 0. Okay. Tell me. Okay, put any value less than 0, less than 1. Put 0.5. Tell me
0.
0.5. After putting
0.
0.5, log natural 0.5.
Just put 0.
No.
When
Here, this B, we are
1 is
checking the
less than
B.
0.
Less than
Yeah,
0.
1 is less than, oh, 1 is greater than 0, sorry, yeah, that works.
You say answer is 0?
No, put 0, we can put 0.
No.
Since 1 is greater than 0.
Less than 1 means that put the values less than, not only 0. Means put value -1. This, our domain is this. Our domain is start from 0 is not added. Okay. Our domain start from this. Okay, clear? This to this. This is the domain. You put the values less than 1. Less than 1 means put this value 0 0.1, 0 0.9, 0 0.8. Okay, these values. You are understanding, not understanding?
Why can't I put 0? 1 is greater than 0.
I say you put the values, this value less than 1. We can put 0 0.9, 0 0.8, 0 0.7.
Okay, it will be a negative number. I put 0.5, it gives me negative number.
Negative value, okay? You should put this value, xy greater than 1.
2, for
To put,
example.
check it is analogy, means check the cracking skill. Choose the cracking skill.
I get a positive number.
Okay. By putting this, we get positive and negative both, okay? From graph, it is clear. See from the graph. See from the graph. See here. By putting the values, we get the negative of graph is this after 1. Okay. After 1 means the values. We can put these values greater than 0. 0 is not added. Okay. Clear? See.
Yeah.
See the graph. Graph domain is start from 0 is not added. Okay. Domain is as. Okay. On this before 1. Okay. 0 to 1. 1 is not added. Okay. 0 to 1, our graph is negative. See, graph is negative for b greater than, for if our base is greater than the 1. Okay, clear? If our base is greater than 1, then graph part gives the negative answer for 0 to 1. Okay.
No,
Hello?
can you repeat?
You are understanding, not understanding?
No.
Okay. See the graph. There are two graphs. Okay. This graph is dotted graph is for base between 0 and 1. Okay. Base between 0 and 1. Clear? And
Yeah.
this graph is for base greater than 1. Okay. And see the graph has two behavior. Graph has two behavior means less than, this graph is, this part is negative. Graph, this part is negative. We get this negative part when our x is between 0 and 1. When our x is between 0 and 1. Okay. See here. When we put x any value between 0 and 1, then we get the negative answer. Okay. Negative of graph. It is clear or not clear? Hello?
Yeah.
It is clear or not clear? See, this graph is negative. Okay. See this graph. This graph is negative. If not understanding, then I move to next page and I teach you.
What's the answer?
Answer is this. Answer is also B. Okay. B gives the negative. Clear? Answer is this,
I don't
but
understand this question.
you are not understanding this. Okay, I send the new link. Okay, it will stop. Okay, wait. I send new link.